Hi guys, welcome back to Mom in Tech. This channel is all about transforming stay-home mom to tech queen. So today we'll be talking about how to become a software developer as a stay-home mom at the comfort of your home. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So why software development? First thing first, it is increasingly high demanding in our society today, and it is an excellent choice for stay-home mom. It is flexible and the earning potential is incredible, and it keeps you closer to your family. I mean, who wouldn't want that? Okay, so the skills that are essential for you to become a software developer are: number one, problem solving. All moms have that. Coding languages like Python and JavaScript. And the most crucial one is that you have to be a critical thinker. I mean, all moms already have this superpower already. So there are fascinating courses all lined up for you. So check in our description box. I already made arrangements for you to learn for free. Yes, you heard me. For free, all you need to do is to click and start your journey. So how do you balance motherhood with tech? With this new career. Number one is to establish a schedule for you and your learning and your family. Also get your families involved. I think that's the most important. And also don't forget to have a nice time with your family. As you get interesting, it is always interesting to learn new skills and to start up a career. Who said you can't be a stay-home mom and also a tech queen? Come on, guys. All right, so if you're interested, don't forget to click the link in the description and start off your journey to become a software developer. All right, thank you. Till we meet again next time.